no, pues vamos a encontrar.
Por eso.
This is Andres. Boy is like 130, 6'1" maybe, and probably the fastest person in the group. Now, I'm not about to be introducing everybody, but that's Zaraí, and she cool as hell. So, this is the crew, and we're just basically getting ready right now. We met up at Tienda Patín, which is basically where everybody get their skates from and their, accessories and stuff like that. And we're just waiting for everybody else to show up, basically.
Hablar. Algo diferente, ¿no? Tú dices algo diferente, ¿no?
Man, I ain't gonna lie, my Spanish is already bad and I can't really understand everything. Felipe, he talks super paisa and I cannot understand a word he be saying. Basically, every time somebody need their skate fixed or they need their skates tightened or something like that, they basically just go to Andres because he always got some keys and some extra wheels and extra bearings and all this stuff in his bag. So, he's like the go-to guy.
Dale, Andrés. ¿Qué?
So basically, I'm about to record Andres. He said that he needs to tighten his wheels or something like that. So I'm gonna wait for that. But the route is about to start, and y'all about to see some action.
De Lasucursal. ¿Y dónde vamos hoy?
Para el sur. Ahora vamos a dejar puentes.
Ajá. Y tú eres una patinaje del avanzado, intermedio, ¿qué? Profesional.
¿Se puede decir profesional?
¿Ah, sí?
Ay, acá.
Boy, I'm a grown ass.
Wait a minute.
So this is Sergio, and he is too funny. And by the way, for all my Dragon Ball Z fans, she got Goku on her shirt.
Ah, huele como pescado.
So now we at the part where Andres just put his skates in AMG mode and just started sprinting, like full court sprint.
But before we get into that, I may need you all to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and
Let's get it.
Tú hacerme trabajar mucho hoy,
¿Trabajar?
Sí.
¿Viste que querías un video?
¿Ah?
¿Viste que querías un video? Falta mucha gente.
No puedo ser normal.
¿Qué es normal para usted?
Sí.
¿Qué?
Normal, hablar normal.
Me encanta patinar.
Ah.
Es mi favorito.
And this is Farouk. This man is funny.
Mi carro y me voy.
Para que llame a su
A mí no me van a
hombre.
venir a humillar. A mí no me
Llame
van
a
a
su
venir
hombre.
Dale,
Venga,
ya me
papi.
¿Volvemos de aquí o más adelante?
Más adelante.
Sí.
Hasta Oye Lili.
¿Sí? Dale.
Creo.
Cansado, no, pero agitado, ahogado.
I don't know what dude was doing, but
It was at this moment that he knew.
and then I'm sitting here trying to help the man up. I fall.